Alright, so we have bought a new SIM card from Globe Telecom. So this is the prepaid LTE. So we open up and then syempre may tri-cut yan. So ito yung physical na SIM. Then open up, meron pang papers na pwedeng sticker na stick sa likod. So yung sticker merong number. So for the new SIM, we need to register it sa Globe One app. First things first is to insert it in your mobile phone. Then make sure to correct the cut. Select the correct cut on your this one micro SIM. And insert it. Turn the phone on. And boot it up until you will see the first mobile signal. Enter the password and make sure you connect the Wi-Fi or have mobile data. Open App Store, then search for Globe One app. It's the one app that you will need to register so that you can see the mobile load. Then install and waiting for the installation. And then next is you need to register the new SIM. So open the app, just follow the simple instruction. Create. Then encode your prepaid number. The detail is on the sticker or at the back of the SIM plastic. Make sure you correct. Then upon pressing continue, an OTP will be sent. So waiting for the OTP. Yes, an OTP. Then you just need to encode the OTP. And upon encoding, you are required to create a new PIN. So for this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And agree. And now you will be able to log in. Biometrics. Skip lang muna. Then you need to create a nickname sa account na ito, sa SIM na ito, para hindi kayo maguluhan sa future. Kasi ito, gagamitin to, parang nickname. So nilagay ko prepaid LTE. So yun, makikita mo na dito. Ito na yung Globe One app na dashboard. So maybe later na lang. Ito. So yan, yung Globe prepaid. So meron kang balance na pinapakita dito, piso. Tapos makikita mo rin dyan kailan ma-expire yung load mo. So by promo, so yun. Kaya gumagamit na tayo ng Globe One app kasi ang daming pwede dito. Pwede kang bumili ng load dito. Click mo lang yung by promo. Tapos pwede mo siya i-link up sa GCash account para magbayad. So ganito lang. Ito lang yung Globe One app na application. Tapos powerful yan. Oh, may accounts. Kung gusto nyo mag-add ng account, meron kayong fiber prepaid, broadband, and other Globe na accounts. Pwede nyo nang i-add dito para isang app na lang yung monitoring natin. G-Fiber, broadband, tsaka mobile. Lahat sila. Pwede mong makita real-time yung consumption, yung load. Simple as that. So, ganito kagamit itong Globe One app.
Para sa G-Fiber Prepaid.
So, G-Fiber Prepaid. Ito. Dito mo na rin encode. Okay? So, that's it for this demo. Maraming salamat. And make sure na mag-download na kayo sa latest na Globe One app para sa mga new SIM and upcoming Globe internet services. Dito rin pwede magbayad, mag-load, and mag-report ng network issue. Alright, subscribe.